babes and boys, welcome back to the channel. Sit down, get comfortable. We have a lot to talk about. Now, I know I've been a little MIA. Your girl's been living life, reflecting and honestly just trying to process everything that happened over the holiday and into last month. Today, I'm giving you all the tea, some life updates that have been weighing on my mind, and a big announcement about the future of this channel that I've just been dying to share. No, honestly, I've been thinking about this all throughout the holiday, and today I'm gonna finally make that announcement. Don't worry, I know this is like the fifth life update slash announcement about the future of this channel, but this time I really think it's gonna stick. So grab your drink of choice, grab a snack and sit down. Let's just starting with the holidays. This was my first Christmas. I amuse myself. Let's talk about this last Christmas and New Year. It was very special because this was my very first Christmas and New Year as a wife. Anywho, I spent the holidays with my in-laws over in Abuja, and honestly, it was super chill because there is this trope that is common in like Nigerian marriages where if you spend any holiday in your in-laws' house, it means you have to wake up at the crack of dawn, fetch water from the well, cook for all the family members, and just basically be the house girl of the house. Well, guess what? Throughout this entire holiday, I either ate what was made available or I ordered out. Honestly, I cannot remember the last time I had so much junk food at a stretch. It was just enjoyment upon enjoyment. Like I didn't have to be in the kitchen unless I absolutely wanted to. It was very chill, okay? I would like to announce, okay, very proudly that I married into peace. Peace and rest. I slept like a goat, a tired goat throughout this holiday. I couldn't be more happy about it, honestly. See my chic. I've gained weight. I enjoyed myself. I wish I could reverse the time. If I could turn back time. If I could find a way. Anyway, the holidays were fun and all, but then, all good things have to come to an end, don't they? Around, I think, the 3rd of January, we came back to reality things when we came back to Lagos. And it was just, I don't know, I had been dreading coming back to Lagos for like a full week before we actually traveled. And it was just, I really didn't want to come back to Lagos. And Lagos really showed itself. First of all, we didn't land in MM2. We landed in MM1. So the person that was supposed to come and pick us up was already kind of like lost. When we landed, the baggage claim area, there were 2 of those, whatever they're called, right? Now, by the time we got there, one was not working. This other one was working. So all of us went to the one that was working, but waiting for our bags. All of a sudden, this one stops working. That one starts working. Everybody has to go to this side. And mind you, this is a crowd of people that came down from 2 different flights. And one of those flights, which was my flight, was like an Airbus. So there are like a lot of people. So everybody is going from this to this, okay? And then this one stops working. And then that one starts working. At the end of the day, we had 2 bags. We got one from this side. We got one from that side. Lagos. And then remember that I said that the person that was supposed to come and pick us up got lost? So by the time he came to MM1, he wasn't entirely sure where to go. And in the midst of the confusion, he stopped the car. And just by doing that, just for being confused, they towed the car and we had to pay 10K to get it back. Again, Lagos. The entire time, I was just like, I just knew it. I didn't want to come back to this stupid state. But we had no choice now, did we? That's all. I had to come back. Damn it. I learned one valuable lesson from my traveling experience is that I will never, ever, even if it's an emergency, I will never fly with airpiece again. I don't want to ever have anything to do with MM1 ever, just ever again. Okay? Yeah. Now, on top of the arrival being stressful, that was January 3rd. By January 5th, I resumed work. And, I consider it both a blessing and, what do I want to say? Trial? Tribulation? I don't want to say curse. Because I resumed into 2 jobs, not one. So it was like a lot. And there were 2 new jobs, 2 brand new jobs that I was just navigating. Starting a new job, one new job is, harrowing enough because you're just trying to figure out what these people are doing, how they do their stuff, what kind of processes they follow. Because it's a social media management role, right? And, different people have the different ways that they do their social media stuff. So I was still trying to figure that out. And then there was this second job as well that I was also trying to figure out, trying to do like a content calendar, create content. This one too, I was doing multiple content calendars. It was just like a lot. It was like a ton of bricks. There was no way ever, like it was not possible for me to start creating content for YouTube or Instagram, anything. It was not possible for me to start creating content in January. It was just not possible. Coming from a holiday like that where I was just cruising, lazing about, into bam, two new jobs, trying to navigate my day to day. It was insane. And I needed time to really settle down and master my routine basically before I can start squeezing content into the corners. Yeah, so that is one of the reasons why you are seeing this video in February and not January, unfortunately. But yeah, I think now I've not totally caught up yet. I'm still very much still navigating, but I've gotten to the point where I think I can begin to squeeze in a little bit of content creation. I'm mostly prioritizing YouTube because honestly, you guys have my heart. My community over here on YouTube is something special to me. IG can go and kick rocks as far as I'm concerned. Yeah, that is the main reason why I just haven't been around. Okay, but I'm back. I promise. This time I'm gonna do my best to be consistent around here. Now, to the future of this channel, because I know that's what you've been waiting for. All this my yippee yappering that I've been yappering since it don't really concern you like that. This new year, I'm starting two new series. They are not brand new concepts, obviously, but I've just basically put more structure in place to be more interesting basically on this channel. So the two series, one is called Natural Hair is Easy. That's just it. Natural hair is easy. So in that series, I'm going to be breaking down, tips and things you should avoid, do's and don'ts, breaking down myths and all those kind of things. Basically to prove the point that natural hair is easy. And the goal with that series is that by the end of the year, or slowly with every episode, you begin to realize that natural hair honestly is easy. It's people that are making it look hard. It is actually really easy. So that is what that series is going to be about. It's going to be very show and tell. I bring you into my own routine, how I am making natural hair easy for myself, my wash day routines, my maintenance routines, a week in my hair. I know a lot of you have been asking for that. A lot of you have been asking for a week in my hair series. Everything is going to be inside that mega series. Natural hair is easy. Okay. And then the second series that I'm going to be introducing is called The Balancing Act. Now, just as I've explained, I started two new jobs. I'm still in the middle of getting my MBA. I'm also a content creator on YouTube, Instagram, LinkedIn, and there is a secret project that I'm currently working on. I think I'll reveal it maybe at the end of this month or in March, one of the two. But there's a secret project I'm working on as well, in addition to everything I have already just mentioned. And also, one of my goals this year is to get closer to God, really have a vibrant relationship with my Jesus, working two jobs, creating content across multiple platforms, reading the Bible every day, having devotion every day, praying every day, being a good wife. It's a lot to balance. So that's why I call the series The Balancing Act. It's basically just like a safe space because I'm sure I'm not the only one that is balancing multiple aspects of my life. And a lot of these productivity gurus on YouTube, on the internet, TikTok, everywhere, they just make it look like productivity is just one easy thing you just do. And I'm over here almost losing my sanity trying to balance all these aspects of my life. And it's like I can't be the only one. So I mean, like, I want to create a safe space for all of us that are struggling to balance life, basically. All that yappa yappa that I just said now is to say that the balancing act is going to be like a safe space where all of us can like come together and we can really discuss in the comments like, okay, this is what I'm going through. Anyone else? Just me? Or I was going through this and this is what I did to overcome. Is this helpful? Have you done it before? Do you have another way of doing it? It's more interactive. I mean, of course, it's going to be videos because going live never really works out for me. But we're really going to be really interactive in the comments. So there's Natural Hair is Easy and then there's the Balancing Act. Those are the two series that I'm really going to be focusing on this year. And in case you're wondering, what about makeup and gist, babe? Let me tell you something. The balancing act is replacing makeup and gist. See, doing your makeup and talking at the same time, underrated skill. And let me tell you something, I don't have the skill. I did my best. I think I did like 3 episodes. But after that, I was like, nah. Plus, all my makeup looks were the same thing. I don't know how to do eyeshadow. I don't know how to do colored liner. I don't think I was even doing eyeliner at all in the first place. I don't know how to even fix lashes. See, I just say, you know what, this makeup and this is not going to work. And another thing is that because of how busy I am in real life, I really, really rely on batch creation. So if I want to film 3 episodes of makeup and gist in a single day, are you telling me that I'll do makeup, I'll wipe it, I'll do another makeup, I'll wipe it, another makeup, I'll not wipe it? Yeah, no, I'm not doing that. So what I've decided to do is I would have already done my makeup as I have right now. Mid ass makeup, by the way. And I'll just come and we'll just gist. Let's not even have any distractions. So yeah, the balancing act is replacing makeup and gist. We're still gisting, but we're not just doing our makeup while we're gisting. Please, that was so stressful, and like it made me to procrastinate. I'll know that I don't have any more content, but when I now think of filming, I'll not be thinking of doing makeup. I'll just be like, not really in the mood. So I've eliminated that now, and we're just gonna we're just gonna sit down, and we're just gonna gist. Also, new setup, or well, I don't think it's a new setup really, but it's a repurposed setup. This is the same setup that I used in some of my older videos. It's just that I kind of re-angled the chair, added 2 plants, and added a backlight. So what do you think? Let me know in the comments. Also, yes, about posting cadence, I'm going to be posting for 3 weeks, the first 3 weeks of the month, and then the last week, MIA till the next month. So what that looks like is that week 1, 2, 3 of February, you'll be seeing me twice a week. So natural hair is easy comes up on Wednesdays, and the balancing act comes up on Saturdays. But then that last week, that 4th week of February, you're not gonna see me till the 1st week of March. And the reason I'm doing this is so that I have time to batch create content ahead, right? That's the main reason I'm doing this, so that I can show up consistently. You will get 6 videos from me every month consistently, just not on that last week of the month, right? So that last week gives me time to produce my content ahead of time. So what I normally do is, while content is going out, on the first 3 weeks, I am already creating my March content calendar. I am scripting for those videos. I am learning my scripts. And then one day I will just film everything, all 6 videos at a stretch. And then for like 2 weeks after that, I am editing, uploading, so that all those videos are ready before March even starts. That's kind of what I'm going for. And it's only possible if I can take 1 week off. So please don't be angry if every last week of the month I John Cena on you guys, okay? It's strategic, and it is for the sake of consistency, so that I don't fire content and then disappear because I don't have any more content to post. Do you get me? So let me know if that makes sense. Let me know in the comments. I want to hear from you, because at the end of the day, this channel is not just for me, it's also for you. I also want to hear what you think about the things that I'm doing on this channel. So let me know, okay? Let me know what you think about the series. Let me know what you think about the setup. Let me know what you think about the posting cadence. Just let me know. I'm down to chat. It's like I'm doing anything. I feel so much better having gotten all of that off my chest, because it's just been in my head. I've been planning this video since December. I'm just happy that I've finally been able to start. But honestly, I want to take this opportunity to say a big thank you to all of you that have stuck with me through my inconsistency. Some of you guys have been here. All of you guys that have been responding to my community tab posts throughout the holiday. You guys, I see you and I love you. You are some of the biggest reasons why I'm still here. Thank you so, so much. You're the best community ever. I really do believe that we're going to have a good time here this year. So if you are not yet subscribed, please subscribe. I know, I admit, I'm not the most consistent, but have a little bit of faith in me and just subscribe. Because what if I am consistent now? You will not be missing out on some good content. Don't take that chance. Subscribe now. Okay, so before I go, I want you to comment the craziest thing that happened to you during the holidays. I want to know, okay? I know that we are already in February. We are way past Happy New Year. But this is my first video this year. I want to hear from you guys. Come on now. Come and gist me. I'm bored. And 2, which of the 2 new series are you most hyped for? Natural Hair is Easy or The Balancing Act? Let me know. Which one is really tutoring you that you can't wait to really see content from them? Let me know. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. It's a wrap for this video. I love you, and I'll see you on Wednesday. Yeah, the first episode of Natural Hair is Easy drops on Wednesday. Make sure you check it out. Bye.